Hi, my name is Daniel, and in this video I'll show you how to create a video carousel and add it to a LeadPages website. Let's get started. The video carousel is a great addition to any website. To start, enter Common Ninja website. Choose your widget from our large collection of widgets. And once you've entered the widget page, click on the Create button to enter the video carousel editor. In the editor, you can edit the video content and add your videos. You can select a layout and customize the video carousel look and feel, and change the settings. When you're done, click the Save Changes button to save your work. If you don't have an account on Common Ninja yet, you'll have to register first. When you're ready to add the video carousel to your website, go back to the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, you'll see the widget you've created. Click on the Add to Website button. In the window that opens, copy the code and close the window. Remember, you can always return to the widget and keep on editing it. Now, let's head to the LeadPages editor. Please note, the widget's content will not show on the LeadPages editor, but will only appear on the preview and on the published website. In the LeadPages editor, click on Widgets on the left menu. Then, find and select the HTML widget at the bottom of the widget list. Drag and place the HTML widget on the page wherever you want a widget to show. Hover the new HTML widget you've added to that page and click the Edit button on the Widget Options menu. Now, in the HTML window that opens, simply paste the widget code you've copied before. Click the Save button at the bottom of the HTML window to save the changes. Click the X button on the top right corner of the HTML window to close the window. And that's it. Now, the video carousel will show on your website.